Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie Tips and Tricks. David and I like different kinds of protein, but there's one that we eat more often, and it's chicken. This is the most popular protein around the world because it can be prepared in many ways. This is how I do mine when I cook it in the oven, and it always comes out nice and juicy. So my friends, let's get cooking.
In a mixing bowl, we'll place our chicken breast and add olive oil, enough so it's all coated. You can also substitute with canola, grapeseed, or others. I like to add lemon juice. It gives some freshness to the meat. From here, we'll add whatever herbs and spices we like. I usually sprinkle rosemary, hot or smoked paprika, maybe a little bit of ground sea salt, and obviously my freshly ground black pepper. Again, use the ingredients you want, okay? So we'll toss the chicken breast around before placing it on a baking sheet lined with foil that has been lightly greased. We'll transfer it to a 400-degree preheated oven and bake for 22 to 26 minutes, depending on the thickness of the breast, or until the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit. We'll let it rest for 5 minutes before slicing.
As you saw in this video, it's easy, delicious, and an effective way to have the perfect chicken every time. I hope you enjoyed tips and tricks of the day, and for many more, including recipes, visit clubfoodie.com. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!